How to create a Discord account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to create or make Discord account. To do so, watch the video till the end and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Now without much ado, let's dive right into the video. If you are using your laptop or PC, go to any web browser and search for discord.com to get or land on the official website of Discord. If you are on mobile phone, then you can easily install the application and sign up there. So for now, click on login button at top right corner of the screen. Now you will land on the section where you need to click on register to create an account on Discord. Create an account page appeared where you have to enter your email address, display name, username, password, date of birth, and you have to check mark this option so that it can help us send emails with Discord updates. And click on the continue button. So let's fill up all this information here. Now click on continue button at bottom of the screen. And you have to confirm that you are not robot by check marking I am a human bottom. And here you have to select images that are present in the sample image. So let's do it. Now you will land on the section where you have to create your first Discord server. If you don't want now, you can click on the cross mark at top right corner of the screen and here you are. You have successfully created Discord account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and thank you for watching.